In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cursor to Supabase using MCP. Let's get into it. First, get your Supabase personal access token. Go to supabase.com, log in, click on your profile icon and select Access Tokens. Click Generate New Token, give it a name like Cursor MCP, and copy the token. Now open Cursor and go to Settings. Click on the Features tab, scroll down to Model Context Protocol, and click Add New MCP Server. Enter a name like Supabase. For the command type, select npx. In the command field, paste this, npx.y at supabase, mcp.server.supabase at latest.access and then paste your access token right after it. Click Save. You should see a green status indicator showing that the MCP server is connected. Now Cursor can directly query your Supabase database, read your schema, and generate migrations automatically. Just chat with Cursor and ask it to create tables, add columns, or fetch data from your Supabase project, and it will use the MCP connection to do it for you. Important, only connect to development databases, not production. MCP gives Cursor full access to your database, so use it safely. And that's it. Cursor is now connected to Supabase via MCP. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn More Labs so you don't miss more tutorials like this.